Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. I am Mia and we're here at the Admission Hub Toronto office. Today, we are going to talk about how to convert from a visitor visa to a study permit inside Canada. If you are a visitor in Canada and looking for a way to stay and work legally in the country, this video is for you. Stick around. We will walk you through the entire process of changing from visitor to study permit inside Canada and answer all your most commonly asked questions. First, who can apply for a study permit inside Canada? And is there an age limit to consider? If you apply for a study permit inside Canada, there won't have any age limit. In fact, most of our clients are in their 40s and 50 years old. They can't apply in their home country. That's why they are processing inside Canada. Why should I apply for a study permit inside Canada? Number one reason, there's no age limit. If you are over 35 years old, it might be difficult for you to apply for a study permit from your home country. But it is possible to apply here in Canada. Also, save more time. Processing time can be completed within a month. This also means you can immigrate to Canada faster and work inside Canada legally. This is a shortcut for visitors to get a work permit through the student pathway. Number 2, approval rate is high. Visa office in Canada have different requirements and assessment criteria for study permit. That being said, there are less documents needed and they are focusing on if you have met the inside Canada requirements or not, which we will explain later on. Third, no IELTS. IELTS is only required for applicants who are applying overseas for study permit via SDS stream. If you are applying inside Canada, then you won't need it. Fourth, education gap is okay. It's okay if you have an education gap even if you graduated 30 years ago. You can still apply for a study permit and get approved. We have many clients who have had gap more than 10 years. We will show you in a few minutes. Fifth, do I need to purchase GIC? GIC is only required for applicants who are overseas applying for a study permit via SDS stream. So, if you're applying inside Canada, then you are exempt from this. How can Admission Hub help me convert my visitor visa to study permit? Admission Hub is Canada's #1 expert specializing in converting visitor to study permit. With our CIC Federal all-licensed immigration consultants, we have extensive experience in helping clients from 30 different countries to convert their status into students. We made impossible cases to possible. So now, how can I be eligible to apply for a study permit inside Canada? Here are 7 steps to follow. First one, obtaining a Canadian visitor visa. Visitors in Canada can stay temporarily up to 6 months. Second, enroll to a prerequisite course. While you are in Canada during the visitor period, you will need to enroll into a prerequisite course which will allow you to be eligible to apply a study permit inside Canada. Third, complete prerequisite course and receive LOA from DLI. For your study permit application, you must submit your prerequisite completion letter and DLI LOA. 4. Obtaining a letter of support from the college. After being accepted into DLI, students will receive a letter of acceptance or LOA from the institution as well as the visa support letter to indicate you are meeting the inland application requirement. 5th, gathering required documents. Students must gather necessary documents such as financial proof, family information, and other documents for study permit. Don't worry, Admission Hub Visa team will ensure you have all the necessary documents to satisfy the inland process requirements. 6. Waiting for the process. Inland application processing time is between 5 to 8 weeks. Once we submit your inland study permit application, you will be on implied status, meaning you can legally stay in Canada while waiting for your approval. Last but not the least, receiving the study permit. Once your study permit is approved, you can simply come to our office to pick up your study permit without leaving the country. Meet Charvi. She's 41 years old. She's from Punjab, India. She came to Toronto with her 5 and 9-year-old sons and her husband. She did an online consultation with us and decided to retain our legal service. After following our instructions and completing a prerequisite course, just in 5 weeks after we filed her case, her study permit was approved. And now they have started her new life in Canada. Of course, you all know the benefit of a study permit holder. So now her kids will be able to enjoy the education in Canada, and her husband is working legally and ready for their PR process. You can be like them too. If you have ever thought about converting visitors to study permits and worry about your profile, I want to assure you that you're not alone. Just like Charvi, she is in her 40s and had a refusal history back home, and now we made her dreams come true within just 5 weeks. We have more real-life stories about converting visitors to study permits. You can click the link below in the descriptions to see our clients' testimonials. If you are interested to become our clients, please use the link below to book an online consultation. Remember, always look for an immigration firm that's specializing in changing status, and we are confident that our experience will help you achieve your dreams. Visit our website admissionhub.com for more information. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more valuable insights. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you in the next video.